Hey guys, okay, it's me today, and today I'm gonna do leftovers. I'm a person, a mom, whatever, and there's lots of us out there who I can't stand seeing leftovers. I always feel like I have to do something with them. I just don't like wasting food, I don't like throwing it out. So today is leftover day, leftover Monday. And because yesterday was Super Bowl, we had so much food. I'm telling you, we had dip, wings, shrimp, calamari. I made a bocconcini and tomato salad with feta cheese, and so all the dip didn't get eaten. I made two separate dips, one kind of for the adults, one for the kids, and the one for the adult didn't get eaten as much. It's this. Ah. So as you can see, I had put hamburger meat in it. It's the cream cheese, sour cream mayonnaise dip with the salsa sauce, um, the scallions, red onions, and I use mozzarella cheese for this one. So what I'm going to do today is I am going to mix everything together. I put the pot on behind me, and basically I'm just going to make a sauce with 2 cans of these, and it already has the basil in it, which gives it a nice flavor, and 2 cans of the tomato paste. And it's just going to be easy, simple, easy, quick, and we're not wasting food, and I'm sure the kids will love it. Even no onion, they won't notice the onions or anything. We're just gonna make a nice, delicious pasta for dinner tonight, and that is it. I will add some spices, and let me get to it. Okay, thanks. Ciao, ciao for now. Okay, so I've got the sauce. It's cooking. It's heating up, and so I'm gonna add some salt, pepper, garlic powder, and some sugar just to sweeten it up a bit, take away the bitter taste, and then that's about it for now. Look, 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 look. Oh, there goes Mimi. She's barking. My dog. All right, guys. Be back soon. Ciao, ciao for now. Bye. Okay, so I'm back, and I always pretty much have music on when I'm cooking. So now this is coming to a boil, the sauce, and I'm gonna add some salt, like I said, right? Pepper. And I can always add more later for flavoring. I like to use garlic powder because the kids don't like the chunks of garlic. So I'm just gonna add the garlic powder and then sugar. Oh yeah. Oh, that'll be good. No worries. It always manages to turn out. And I think that once this boils, I think it's just going to be so wonderful to add in that dip because it's going to add flavor, right? The meat, which I already seasoned. Well, I don't know about the cream cheese and all that fun stuff yet, but you know what? Something new, using it up, that's it. So now we're going to let this cook for probably maybe 15 minutes, and then I'll add the other stuff in to make it all blend. And it's going to be a nice thick sauce. The kids love thick sauce, always works. And yeah, turn this down. Thick sauce, kids, and that's it. So let me show you, and then I will let you go. See that? Do you see it? Woo! My phone's getting all fogged up. Woo! Okay, no. Let me stop it, and I'll show you, and then, yeah. So, cha-cha for now. So, how does that look, guys? Yes. It's gonna go bubbly, blah, 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 blah. And, so, yeah, I'm just gonna let this cook for about 15 minutes, and add the other stuff in, and then we're good to go. Woo! Thank you. So now we're ready to add in the leftovers. The sauce has started simmering long enough, so now we need to get this in so that it can simmer some more together and the flavors can all blend. So I just kind of separated it. Oh my gosh. This is going to be delicious, you know that? gonna be a nice, meaty, cheesy kind of sauce for the pasta. Woo! Why waste good food, right? No way. And truth be told, I already helped myself to some of it. So we're gonna put this in, and then it looks like I'm gonna have to add in some more water anyway. So that's what I'm gonna do, is add some more water and just let it simmer until it's ready to eat. And the only other thing is that I might add a little bit more spices. We'll see. Like I said before, I'm one of those things that, okay, add a bit of this, add a bit of that, and away you go, right? So that's what I'm gonna do. I'll just give it a try, see if it needs more, and ta-da! Yes! Yeah. So, you can use anything. Like, leftovers are awesome because you can come up with so many different creations, right? That's the beauty of cooking, and especially when you have kids and you're like, okay, what am I gonna make tonight? Something different. Perfect. Can't go wrong. Can't go wrong. And on top of that, the kids don't need to know everything you add to something, right? If they try it, they like it. Oh, perfect. All right, guys. Cha-cha for now. Look at that. Nice and thick. Everything's gonna melt together now. Yes, yes, yes. Woo! Back. And so I did a little bit of tasting, and it is delicious. I think I'm gonna officially call this like the salsa pasta because it's got this amazing flavor, like salsa and sauce and just all of it. But one thing I noticed. Let me whisper. Hang on, because we got the kids home. I don't think they're gonna like all the green onion in it, like the scallion and the red onion, and so I'm gonna puree it. Is that what you call it? I don't know. I'm gonna use this machine, and I'm gonna mix everything together so that it chunks it into smaller pieces. And I know that kind of screws up the meat, but that's okay. That's okay. I'm just creating this dish, and we're gonna see what we get. So, like, the whole thing too is that I think what I'm gonna end up doing is once this is done, I'm gonna get some pasta noodles, and instead of making it a pasta, I think I'm gonna put it into the oven after, and just top it off with some breadcrumbs on top, so then it's got that crunchiness taste to it too. Can't go wrong, right? Alright, guys, let me do this. Bye for now. Cha-cha. Okay, so I don't know what it is, but I like cooking it in the pans, right? So I've already started, just because it's going to take a while, but basically I'm taking the sauce, putting the bottom layer, and then I'm going to lay the pasta on it, mix it all together, put it in the oven with, on the top of it, I'm just going to sprinkle some Asiago cheese and some Parmesan cheese, some black pepper, and I think it's gonna turn out delicious. So in Italian they call it pasta al forno. Of course I can't pronounce it right, whatever. So I called it's similar to my penne lasagna, except this time I am using shells. So the shells I have ready here. Remember, I'm feeding 5 teenagers here, right? So I'm gonna pour the shells in. That should be enough. I hope it's enough. Either way, that's that. Pour some more on top, right? Mix it all together, and basically, yeah, I'm gonna bake it 350 for about 20 minutes. Bring it out, add breadcrumbs, and there we go. Okay, I gotta get this in the oven. Talk to you later. Ciao, ciao for now. Guys, so I know it kind of looks gross because it's orangey and whatever, but here's the cheese. Uh-oh. Okay. I'm gonna put Parmesan all over. And Parmesan cheese because it's gonna melt. It's gonna be so nice. It's gonna be delicious. I can't wait. I don't think I made enough pasta though, but that's okay. We'll figure it out. And since I have a lot of leftover sauce, what I'm gonna do with that is put it into the containers and save it for another time. Because if this is a big hit, oh man, what's better than, I'll have a nice oh, that is easier. I'll have a nice little batch of leftovers. I know I'm changing this whole thing up, but kids are home, and so I'm trying to do it as easy and as quick as it can go. Nope, wrong side. Grate some cheese. Oh, this is Asiago cheese. I don't like too much of it. It'll just be a little bit for flavor. I know, right? Okay. You know what? I think that's good. I don't want to overkill it. Alright. So, oven 350 for about 20 minutes. Broil for 5. Take it out of the oven and we're going to sprinkle some breadcrumbs. Okay. Ciao for now. This is how it's looking. Now I'm putting it on broil. I'm going to put some quick pepper, just a layer of it on top. The ground pepper, and then that's it. All right. Bye. Guys, here it is. Breadcrumb, cheese melted. So I know, right? So I have one of the kids here. She wants to try it out. We're not going to show her face. She's not going to do anything. I think she wants to try it. And listen, I just wanted to say, it looks delicious. I hope it tastes delicious. I'm going to give it a quick taste before I serve it. Ooh. Yum. It's probably hot. Hang on. Yeah, it's hot.
No, it's not.
Wait. Oh man. Actually, delicious. Oh my.
That is good.
It is good, isn't it? I got the thumbs up. Okay. Thanks for watching. Ciao, ciao for now. Bye.